Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add language in CapCut. So in here, if you want to find a language available on CapCut, you can go to menu and head to settings in here. Then you'll see the language tab on the settings, and here you can see there are lots of languages options that you can select from here. So unfortunately, if you want to add a new language into CapCut, you cannot do that yet because language only, if you want to add language, it will only available for the developer or the CapCut team. You can only just add a new language or maybe replace the language of the CapCut appearance by choosing it in here. For example, I'm going to change it into Bahasa Indonesia. Here you can just click on the language that you want to and then tap on save. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.